Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a nail art video and I'm going to show you 3 different abstract nail art designs using Mini Macaron's Serenity Trio. I've already posted the live swatches of the trio, and if you missed that video you can watch that by clicking the card in the corner of your screen or the link down below. And don't forget, you can also get 10% off regular priced items at minimacaron.com with my code caramellogram10. The first design is a little dry brush with some gold foil, and I'm going to use coconut yogurt as my base color. So I'm going to apply 3 coats of coconut yogurt, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds after each coat in my milkshake LED lamp. Then I'm going to go in with mint chocolate chip, and I'm going to paint 2 brush strokes, one from the bottom of my nail and one from the top, and then I'm going to do that one more time after I cure it so that the colors are nice and bright. I'll do the same with Fleur Bleu, and for all 3 designs I painted each nail just a little bit differently so that they didn't all look the same. Then I just added a few spots of this transfer foil gel to spots that I thought were just a little bit empty or where the brushstrokes were quite wide. I cured that in my LED lamp, and then I just transferred some metallic gold foil. I sealed in the foil with Mini Macaron's Gel Shine top coat and cured that for one last time. So here's the finished design, and I loved it, but I feel like the gold foil just looked so much better in person. I feel like on camera it looks really dark and almost black, so if anyone has any tips on how to film or photograph these metallic foils, please let me know. The second design is inspired by a pretty popular trend that's going around right now, which is the abstract wavy design, and I'm going to start off with 2 coats of creme brulee, which gives me a nice sheer nude base. And I'm going to paint on the details with my favorite nail art brushes from NAILSTUFF.CA, and I love these brushes because they have a cap, so they are perfect for gel nail art, and this specific one is the 11mm liner brush, and I'll have links down below as well as some discount codes. I just dipped my brush into a little bit of Fleur Bleu, and on this specific nail I painted a reverse S down the center of my nail, but basically I'm just going to be doing a combination of different curves of different shapes and sizes on each nail. I cured that, and then I did the same thing with mint chocolate chip, and I just painted another reverse S shape just beside the first one that I painted, but again on every single nail I painted this a little bit differently to give it a little bit of variation. I gave that one final cure, and here is the finished abstract wavy design. The third design is a little bit of an abstract mix and match, and on my thumb I painted it in coconut yogurt, then I painted my index finger with Fleur Bleu, and I painted my pinky nail with mint chocolate chip. And on my middle 2 nails I started off with 1 coat of creme brulee for a negative space base. Then I'm just going to use the tip of the brush to add a few spots of color all over my nail, starting with coconut yogurt, then Fleur Bleu, and finally mint chocolate chip. I cured that in my LED lamp, and then I took a small dotting tool dipped into licorice, which is their black gel polish, and I painted a few small dots here and there, slightly overlapping those spots of color. I gave that one really quick cure for about 15 seconds, and here is the finished design. I hope you enjoyed those 3 abstract nail art designs, and if you missed my live swatches of the Serenity Trio, you can click the card on your screen or the link in the description box below. And don't forget, you can get 10% off at minimacaron.com with my code caramellogram10. And if you recreate any of these designs, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!